In PowerPoint, you can record the timings of when elements are supposed to appear on the slide and when to transition to the next slide. These timings will enable a PowerPoint to run automatically or to be exported as a video while keeping the animated elements and slide transitions in sync with any audio being delivered. These timings can be created by going to the Slideshow tab and clicking Rehearse Timings. Be prepared, as it will instantly start recording the timings of your slideshow. In Rehearse Timings, you'll want to click through after each video in your PowerPoint plays. Essentially, PowerPoint is recording how long you want to spend on each slide and the exact time when you click Advance. Click all the way through to the end and a pop-up will appear, asking you if you'd like to save the timings. Click Yes to save the timings, or No to try again. Saving slide timings this way will erase any previous slide timings. Once you've saved your slide's timings, you should test it to see if the slideshow is working as it is supposed to. In the same Slideshow tab, click on either From Beginning or From Current Slide, depending on your needs. Your PowerPoint should now run on its own, including advancing all the way through to the final black screen. If you're working with a group, each member can follow these steps to time their individual slides, and then the group can compile the slides later on. Since slide timings are saved per slide, the compiled slides should all still function and create one final slideshow that will automatically run when presented. However, it's always best to test the entire final slideshow before submitting it or exporting it as a video.